Hey, so I'm going to show you how to create a poll and collect votes inside of a GitHub issue. So this is how it's going to look after you create it. You click on the image and you vote for an editor or for a choice. And then you redirect it back here and your vote is automatically refreshed and in the chart for you. So to do this, you go to wakatime.com/polls. You click create new poll and you type your choices. And then you can edit your poll. You can click this link to go directly to the poll to vote for it and view the history. And this is the image link, but what you want to do first is click this to copy and paste the Markdown code into your GitHub issue. Once you paste that, you get what you saw before in that GitHub issue. And then you're directed to this link to vote. And you can see who voted. People can unvote. And you can have that chart generated as an image for your GitHub issues.